Hey, it's Jonathan with Mobility Lift Aids in Houston, Texas. In front of me is a 2026 Toyota Sienna Hybrid XSE with 29 miles. This vehicle has a VMI Northstar side entry conversion. Go ahead and open it up from the stock fob, and then we're going to hit the out button here, and that's going to deploy the ramp and activate the mule. Take a look at the ramp here. We have a 30-inch wide ramp, accommodate a very large amount of chairs, and we have a 56-inch door opening here. Take a look inside. See our back seats there for 3 passengers. We have that nice cool gray interior. L-track throughout the flooring. And in the front seats, these are both removable bases, and these are also compatible with transfer seats if you would like a driver or passenger transfer seat. Take a look at the space in the rear here. And of course, here at Mobility Lift Aids, all of our vans do come with the Q-Strength retractables at no additional charge to you. In here is also the rear license plate bracket. And we have our Toyota safety kit there. Very nice amount of space in the back, can definitely fit a few suitcases. And this is that ice cap white, very, very nice color. And just to note here before, this van does have blind spot monitors there integrated on the mirror. Right here in the driver's area, we do have the ramp operation buttons. So it's going to be ramp in and out, turning the kneel on and off at the bottom, and then there in the center is going to be the ramp on and off. We have automatic high beams, and we do also have 120 volts outlet in this vehicle. Steering wheel controls. This van does have heated seats. And our shifter there with the drive mode buttons. This van has a very nice look to it. Again, this is ice cap white. Pretty much has a chrome delete, so everywhere that there would have been chrome, it does have black accents. Very nice, very clean. If you have any questions on this vehicle, feel free to reach out to us, texaswheelchairvan.com. You can also call us 713-939-9922. Thank you.